APA stands for American Psychological Association. One of the things that this association does is to dictate their set of writing rules or conventions for how papers should be submitted to their journals. APA writing rules have become so popular that now many college and university instructors require students to follow APA writing guidelines when submitting papers to their courses. The three areas of APA conventions are formatting, citations and referencing, and writing style. This guide will look at how to format your paper correctly under APA 7 guidelines. APA has very strict rules for the look of a paper. Follow these rules exactly to give your paper a professional look and give the right and first impression to your reader. At the top right of each page, you will see the page number. You will notice that the entire paper is double-spaced, and their margins are set to 1 inch. A number of fonts are now permitted, the most common being Times Roman 12 point or Calibri 11 point. Whatever you choose, be consistent throughout your paper. Let's look at the title page. It is always required. There are 3 double-spaced lines above the title. Your title is in title case. That means that every major word and words 4 letters and over start with a capital letter. The title is also in bold and centered. Your title is informative. Remember, you're titling your paper, not naming your assignment question. Your title should have a subject and a focus. Leave 1 double space between your title and the details. Write your full name, the department and college name, the official title of the course as it appears on your syllabus, your instructor's name, and the date, month, day, comma, year. Now let's look at your first page. The paper's title is repeated exactly as it appears in the title page. There should be no introduction named, no heading named introduction. The first line of every paragraph is indented. There are no spaces in between paragraphs. Major headings appear in level 1 style, bold, centered title font. The first subheading is in level 2 style, bold, centered, and left indented. A further subheading would require level 3, but it's not common to have headings go this deep. Headings are not followed by a colon. If you use a figure, you introduce it with the words figure, followed by a number. Then the title goes above the figure in italics and in title font left justified. Under the figure, you can introduce a note about the figure if you require. A table is introduced in a similar way, with the words table followed by its number, and then the title of the table in italics, title font left justified. Note how the table is formatted itself. There are no boxes surrounding the text. The column headings are set off with lines, and it is finished with a line. Just as with figures, notes can be added below the table if required. Note that every table and figure must be referred to at least once within your text. And finally, the reference page. The reference page is on its own page. It is titled References in bold, and all of the references are in hanging indent format.